welcome back to my channel. It's incredible. Alright, so I just can't stop looking at myself because my skin is like super dewy and juicy. And the idea of this whole video was to achieve a dewy, glossy, and juicy skin, which I have got success in. And I'm just in love with this look. And if you want to know how I created this look, please continue watching. So the first thing we are going to apply is the vitamin C serum to hydrate the face properly. I'm going to apply a few drops on my face and just going to gently massage it into my skin. It is not going to look gently to you because the video is fast forwarded, but you have to gently massage it. I am just massaging it gently. Don't forget your neck, and just let it dry and let it hydrate. Next, the most important product in this makeup look is the stroke cream. Stroke cream does the work to give the dewy, full highlighted look, and this is the most important thing you have to apply because of this you get the glow. And if you're not going to apply the stroke cream, then the makeup is not going to look that dewy. And not now, we have to apply it also further. So stroke cream is most important step in dewy look, and you can make it at home. I have made it at home. If you want to know how I did, let me know in the comment section. Next, I'm going to apply the foundation, and I'm just going to take few drops on the back of my hand, just 2 drops, and I'm going to apply it all over my face, and just going to dab with the damp beauty blender. Properly, I'm going to apply it on my neck, on my ears, everywhere. Next, I'm going to apply the concealer on my eyes and also on the highlighting points. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that I did my eyebrows off camera because this is all look is based on skin and you are going to focus on the skin, so there's no need to show how I do my brows. If you want to see, you can go and check my another videos. You can see the difference between both of the eyes. I'm going to properly blend it. And make sure you're not dragging your sponge. That is most important thing. You have to keep in your mind that no dragging the sponge. Just you have to stipple it how you stipple your stippling brush. That's the way you have to do it. You don't have to drag it. No. So we are done, and now I'm going to just apply the powder on my eye area because we tend to crease there more. So we are going to just apply the foundation on my under eye and on the lids just to stop from creasing. Leaving the eye area and eyelids, we are not going to apply powder anywhere because this is a dewy look, and if you are going to apply powder, then it's going to mattify your face. Next I'm going to take the palette and brush, what we say, okay, the sponge applicator, and I'm going to take the silver shimmery shade and just apply it all over my lids. See, we are focusing on our skin to be glowy, dewy, glossy, so we are not going to focus on eyes, but that is going to look anyways pretty. Next I'm going to take the lightest brown shade and apply it into my crease just to define the crease. And I'm going to apply the same shade near my waterline. I'm using the same sponge applicator. You can see a little difference after applying the lighter brown shade in the under eye. And next I'm going to take the pencil brush and I'm going to take the matte black and I'm going to apply it in the same waterline where I applied the light brown shade. And I have did my liner. I just did a wing liner. If you want to see how to do a wing liner, you can go and check the video. Click the I button. Next I'm going to do a mascara. Mascara is the thing that I apply every time, so no one can stop me from applying mascara properly. I'm going to apply it. So we are done with our eyes, and next I'm going to take the contour shade, not the blush, only the contour shade, and just I'm going to contour my face. I already did my contouring and will move towards the cheeks to be pinky, and I'm not going to take the powder blush, and I'm going to take some lipstick on back of my hand and add some strobe cream to it and mix them well. And after mixing, you can see the pink tint is glowing so much, and that I'm going to apply it on my cheeks so that that part also will, you know, glow. I'm going to apply it properly on all my cheeks, chin, nose. Next I'm going, before applying highlighter, I'm going to apply some strobe cream where I apply highlighter, powder highlighter, because before applying the powder highlighter, if we apply strobe cream, then the powder sticks to the cream. That's the reason I'm applying the strobe cream before the highlighter, so that the powder highlighter sticks to it and my face looks more glowy. Next oh, that fell down. no worries. I'm going to take the silver highlighter and I'm going to apply it where I applied the strobe cream, and you can see how prettiest the cheeks are looking. Oh my god, oh my god, they are so much glowing. You should definitely try this method. If your highlighter isn't sticking to your face, you should apply some cream and then you can apply the highlighter so that it sticks to your face properly and your face just, I'm looking a glowy baby. Also, I'm going to apply it on my collarbone, because if your face is glowing and your body isn't, then it looks somewhere awkward, because half you're glowing and half you're not. That looks so bad. So that's that. Next, I'm going to take the beauty blender and I'm just going to dab it on whole of my skin. There's nothing on the beauty blender. I'm just going to mix the whole thing I applied on my face. Last but not the least, lipstick. I'm going to apply this very prettiest purple shade. I'm just going to line my lips with the matte purple shade, and then I'm going to take the same shade's bullet lipstick and I'm going to apply it all over my lips.
Alright, I'm so happy that the makeup turned out so good, and this is all because of this strobe cream. I didn't bought any strobe cream from market and just made it at home and just gave it a try, but it turned out so well the way I wanted, dewy, juicy and glossy, and I just love the whole look. If you also like the whole look and the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's incredible. See you all in the next video. Bye.